how to add guides in Photoshop. First, if you do not see rulers at the top and left side of your window, you're going to have to add those by going to View, down to Rulers, and there is a keyboard shortcut for that that's worth memorizing. I'm going to click on that one. Now with my rulers there, I got to make sure that the Move tool is active on the tool panel on the left. I'm going to go to the very top, and then I'm going to bring that up, and you'll see the arrow over the ruler. I'm going to click and drag down. You'll see that icon showing the rulers. Place it where I want it, and then take my finger off the mouse and do that again. I'm going to click on the ruler, drag down, place it where I want it, take my finger off the mouse. Works the same way on the left side. Click on the ruler, drag and drop. Click, drag, let go. So if that answered your question without wasting any of your time, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit the like button, and while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe.